have now? Do you think that there is lack? Such as you wanted to buy a nice house, but you cannot afford. You wanted to buy a luxury car, but there is always shortage of money. You wanted to go on a vacation, but you don't have time and money to fulfill your wishes. You were not able to get what you wish for. Do you know what is the root cause? I'm sure you don't know what is stopping you to manifest your dreams. Have you ever thought that you are thankful for those things which you already possess? If you are not grateful for what you already have, then you won't attract more good things in life. Your mind is focused on scarcity, that you don't have this or that. So, the universe is giving you those things. Your focus is on scarcity, so you are getting more of scarcity. If your mind is focused on surplus and you are grateful from the core of your heart, then you will attract surplus in life. For instance, I'm grateful to God and the universe that I have got this opportunity to enjoy the fall season and see the beautiful colors of spring in USA. I'll show you. Have a look. In the same way, be thankful for all the small and big things in life. People who are grateful are abundant and prosperous in life. Those who are not grateful and always complain are the ones who lead a life of scarcity and lack. Whatever they have will be taken away from them. Those who are grateful will be given more. In law of attraction, you get what you focus on. So why focus on scarcity and complain? Why not focus on positive things and compare with those people who cannot afford what you already have? That way, it will be easier for you to convince your mind to be grateful for. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you. So please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.